No, Rel, right
Yo,
here.
we live right now. My nigga, Prince Pretty Rel Diddy birthday. This is he. You guys birthday cake and all that. That's real nigga shit.
Whipped cream, real nigga shit.
Happy birthday, my nigga.
Cherry on top, real nigga shit, man.
I mean, the fellas is out. That's 35 right there. You see the big homie. You see the big homie. You're the big homie. What happened with these niggas, man, out here, man? I know you had something you had to say, man.
Niggas are scared, man. Niggas already know what it is, man. Holla at me. Ow! Give yourself 4 months. That just give me 4 months more to get it straight, man. Holla at me, man. Niggas know what it is, man.
That's the homie Harlem.
Harlem Rock. Yo, check me out. No direct. I mean, I'm chilling with the homies. You know, drinking apple martinis and BBQs. Let's get a look at the food, though. I mean,
Yeah, we eating healthy.
We eating healthy.
We eating healthy. He clean his shit, but
What's your goal? He ain't get shit.
he ain't had nothing to eat, so.
Yo, that petty fetish.
This nigga ain't had nothing to eat.
Yo, I thought you see your
Yo, say what up to the people, man.
Fuck them people, man.
Yeah, no industry ready V. You see, he on his shit too. He ain't about to have nothing to eat neither.
Yo, look, he taking his shit home.
That's a good way.
He's still in full. Yo, this is Uncle Shower. Look at him stealing. This ain't even mine. This ain't even mine. This one the riot.
Yo, that shit out my face.
Yo, we live. We live. My nigga Prince Pretty birthday today, man. We here, man. We live right now, man. I don't know where I waited at. Y'all see the big homie fifth though, kid. He full, look. He ate healthy, man. Shit to the gristle right there. Look at the big homie. We live, yeah. I'll waste it. See my shit. I'm eating good. This nigga had nothing to eat. He was eating the menu. Look at his glass. He had water. He had water. Nah, my nigga ate already. He good. I mean, we out here, man. Prince Pretty birthday, man. My nigga ate like a king today. That even you too. He's still in full. Look at his plate. Shot had soup. Yeah, look. Yeah, you see how I'm eating, nigga. I'm eating like a king, nigga. You see shrimp, ribs, steak. Yeah, nigga. I'm done. Shy, you can take that shit, Shy. Let's get it. I'm out, nigga. Prince Pretty birthday, nigga. We out.